The county reported 2 more COVID-19 deaths, but also just 2 more confirmed cases. Now, that small increase has Woodward anxious to get the economy open once again.
Washington is vastly different than Western Washington, and our COVID response has been quite impactful.
COVID-19 has left our economy in the dark for more than a month now. People are anxious to get back to work, and elected officials in Eastern Washington are pushing for that to happen.
We believe that we're in a position where we could slowly start opening up our economy again.
Across the state, we've seen hospital visits for COVID-like symptoms drop. Here in Spokane County, 12 people are currently in the hospital with coronavirus. That's 3 less than yesterday. Woodward says that's the kind of data they're watching closely.
Because that will be our guiding factor in how successful we are, and when we get from phase 1 to phase 2, and from phase 2 to phase 3.
Woodward also points out how different the economy is on this side of the state.
We don't have big companies that can boost our economy like Amazon and Microsoft and Boeing. Our backbone of our economy is small businesses, and that's what's been shut down.
Woodward says any decision to lift restrictions sooner would be done with extreme caution, and if cases were to jump back up at any point, then they would put everything on hold.
We don't want to compromise the ground that we've already made. So we have to be able to also say, hey, if this isn't working, we're going to hit the pause button.
With that said, Dr. Bob Lutz of Spokane Regional Health says it's still not clear how soon we can get back to normal.
I wish I had an easy answer. I wish I could say tomorrow or next week. And what it's going to look like, we don't know yet.
This is starting to become a trend around the U.S., with counties wanting to separate their orders from the state. In California, a few counties in Santa Barbara and San Jose have already modified their stay-home order to allow for more business. And today, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo announced some of his hospitals in the state can resume elective surgeries.